Hey you guys, thanks for being flexible yesterday with our lesson. So today you are going to start with an ionic bonding recap video. I tried to keep it short. It ended up being about 12 minutes and pulled out kind of the most important parts of ionic bonding and went over that energetics diagram because that's super important. Definitely be on the test, definitely be on the AP test in the spring. And then you're going to watch a covalent compound notes video. It's about 6 minutes. It's going to show you how to draw the pictures for covalent compounds and kind of compare and contrast them a little bit with ionic. And then Wednesday, Friday, we're going to spend talking more about covalent compounds. And then you've got a covalent compound worksheet to do, which will be some practice drawing after you've watched the video. You guys make sure that you watch the video with the sound on, because just like in class, I'm going to give you hints and tips more than just what I'm writing on the screen. Okay, so let's look at this Lewis diagram. So remember, Lewis diagram is just another way to say a dot diagram. I'm going to show the ionic bonding between potassium and nitrogen. So potassium and nitrogen. So potassium is my metal. It has 1 valence electron, and nitrogen is my nonmetal. It has 5. So I'm going to start by drawing one of each. And potassium is going to give away its electron to the nitrogen. So again, making sure that the arrow goes directly to that open location. So now nitrogen is still has 2 spots that can be filled. Potassium, though, is done. So I'm going to bring that potassium over. After it loses that 1 electron, it becomes a 1 plus. I'm going to need another potassium. Going to give to this spot here, and a 3rd potassium cross. It's looking kind of ugly there, to give to that location. So at this point, each of my 3 potassiums have lost their electron to become happy, and my nitrogen has gained 3 electrons to become a 3 minus. So my formula for this will be K3N, and the name will be potassium nitride, ide ending. Okay, so start with the ionic bonding recap, then do the covalent, and then the worksheet. If you did not finish the ionic sheet, make sure you have it ready for me. I'm going to collect it on Wednesday as well as your covalent compound sheet.